Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good
We
morning.
everybody know each other, but still, Anjuji is being new to this platform. I'll request everybody to introduce herself, introduce ourselves to her first, uh, very briefly. So I'll start with me. Myself, Anand Poor. Presently, I'm co-chairman and president of Inner Growth Circle, having almost 42 years of the industrial experience and 5 years of the industry chamber experience, and worked in different capacities. I'm passionate of the training, coaching, as well as I'm expert in ERP functional mapping. Thank you very much. Atul sir.
So my name is Atul. I come with an industry experience of around 25 years. I am passionate about contributing to small and growing businesses, and it is out of this passion that eGrowth was created, and we're building it further. Uh, uh, I engage with small businesses in multiple fashions. One, I train and coach them in designing their business. Second, eGrowth, the platform which allows small businesses to interact among themselves, get to know each other better, and grow their business. And third, right now, I'm also taken up an assignment in international education with an organization called M Square Media.
Pardon?
M Square Media, wherein I had the sales and marketing for their platform called MSM Unify.
I keep writing down all these things, so it's okay.
Sure.
Thank you very much, Atulji. Mithilesh sir.
Good morning. I'm Mithilesh Jha. I'm into supply chain, international supply chain, international logistics from 1998. We are handling import shipment, export shipment, and third country. Uh, Currently, we are handling third country a lot of third country shipment of medical equipments. Please connect me to importer, especially machinery importer. And this is a time where a lot of problem is there in international logistics. We can offer a lot of option to importer and exporter so they can decide how they can reduce their cost, freight cost and other related cost. So this is Mithilesh Jha once again. um, Tech is India, reliable bhi, reasonable bhi. Thank you.
Our chairman, Mr. Satyaji, will you please introduce yourself briefly?
Thank you, Anandji. Good morning, Madam Anju. I'm Satyen Gupta. I'm a social entrepreneur from New Delhi with 41 years experience with government, industry, and my own startups. One of them is what I'm busy in, that is called DigiGaon Job Factory Foundation with tagline of Udyami Bahu. It is basically empowering the rural women, rural basically daughters Jilla, not the rural girls, but rural daughters Jilla. That is a special thing. And for that, we create Wi-Fi hotspots in villages, which will be run by some daughter-in-law of that village after she is empowered, trained, skilled, and even funded. So that is our main thing, which is headquartered in New Delhi at World Trade Center. It is a startup for women by women, actually. So we are just the mentors there. So we'll tell you more about this. For the time being, our ask is the CSR heads of various companies or various families who can provide us funding to take it off further. Thank you.
Thank you, Satya sir. Mishra sir.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Welcome, ma'am. I am telecom consultant. Prior to that, 35 years government experience, working in government. Thereafter, last 6 years, engaged in consultancy in telecommunication. Our office is SAM Corp Advisors at World Trade Center, New Delhi. At present, we are giving consultation in all verticals of telecommunication, be it licensing, regulatory compliances, business development too, especially to the foreign entrepreneurs, those who want to set up business in India. Also giving consultation for the FIPB clearance, which is for the foreign investment for the telecommunication, especially for the telecommunication. If anybody is interested to set up business or for the clearance on FDI.
You're at Barakhamba
We are at Barakhamba.
and you're operating from office.
We are
You've started
practically operating, but if you see, I go very rarely nowadays. For the last 1 year, I can say, but now only occasionally, maybe in fortnight once I go. But office is working. Office is our team is there, and they are coming to office because documents, papers, movements are there. So that continues. That is in World Trade Center. Barakhamba Road means the World Trade Center itself is adjacent to NXC to the Lalit Hotel, and in that only.
Place is very close to my heart. So I know.
Did you study in that school?
I started my career from Hansalia building.
Acha.
And
Just
then
opposite.
spent more than 20 years in Connaught Place area.
So listen, we only serve the telecom licensees. Basically, our 90% activities are those who are with the telecom licensee. And license is a very regulated form. It continues, and we support them. Thank you very much.
I studied also from there only. उसके पीछे Zakir College है. So
हाँ, वो हमारी दूसरी ऑफिस के बगल में था जहाँ मेरी सर्विस थी. ट्राई उसके बगल वाली बिल्डिंग में ट्राई है, टेलीकॉम रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी.
थैंक यू मिश्रा जी. वीरेंद्र सर, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग.
एंड अंजू जी, एक चीज आप कलकत्ता से काफी इंटरेस्टेड मैंने क्वेरी कर रही हैं कलकत्ता के बारे में. तो मेरा बहुत लंबा पीरियड 22 वर्ष जीवन का सर्विस पीरियड जो है वेस्ट बंगाल और कलकत्ता में ही गुजरा.
I'll just definitely take up offline with you.
1-to-1 की जरूरत है, आप दोनों 1-to-1 करें. Let's.
Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Virendra, and I'm from Pune. I'm a serial entrepreneur running my few companies. One is into business coaching and corporate training, and another is into pharmaceutical retail chain, Ayurveda medicines, and pharmaceutical retail chain, Medico Point. I have my mobile apps and software company also, where we help people to build their brand with digital marketing and website designing and mobile apps. Now, recently I opened office into Delhi, so that is care of Techies India. Thanks to Mithilesh ji for that, and I'm looking for connects in. Thank you, Ravindra ji. So, and I'm looking for connects in. All over India for companies like Tally or any software companies or any company who wants to grow and they want to set up their distribution the way I am doing it for Tally, where we help them to connect with the handle their channel partners ecosystem. So now Tally is having around 80 partners in Delhi, and I am going to handle them. India, in Mumbai, they have 100. I am handling them. In Pune, they have around 100 plus partners. And these are, other than that, they have unorganized of around 2,000 in Mumbai and around 1,000 in Pune. They called it that associate partners. So we are handling them, we are nurturing them, we are growing them. So similarly, if any company wants to grow their business, even appoint their partners and handle them, open franchises. So I'm looking for that kind of assignment. We can set up a separate office for them. So that's all about us. We are mainly into helping people growth. So we are a growth hackers, and that's it. So thank you very much and have a great day.
Thank you. Rajesh Budhiraja sir, please unmute and introduce yourself. आप unmute करिए.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, very clearly now.
Yep. Rajesh Budhiraja, I live in New Delhi. I, by education, I'm an engineer from IIT Kharagpur. I passed out in the year 1976. It's 45 years ago. And for 42 years, I've been in the corporate in companies like Thermax, Punj Lloyd, and my last assignment was with the company called Root Schooling. I was the director of operations for 20 years. Then I moved into a different orbit. I set up a platform called Zeus India, Zeus, where I kind of hunted and discovered people who are experts in the industrial arena. And these were experts in air conditioning and ventilation, natural ventilation, automation and control, wastewater management, fume and dust extraction, industrial and commercial lighting. So these are currently some of the experts I've located, each with about 4 decades of experience. So we built a platform which we engage with industry to give them a peer group interventions, give them advice on how to go about businesses in these areas, how to optimize them post-COVID. So we also are consultants in HVAC. We undertake projects where we develop the entire package and we make the tender documents, float the tenders on behalf of the client, and then help them select the vendors. Currently, we're doing 2 exciting assignments. One is we are advisor to the chairman of a very large tire manufacturing company who is coming up with a new project in Madhya Pradesh. They have a regular consultant, but we are doing value engineering and value addition on behalf of the chairman so that they can get the best package at the most optimum price. One of my passion was to also, I've been grooming people always in whichever organization I've been. So we currently mentors to air conditioning contracting company. They have a turnover about 35-40 crores. So they've asked, we are mentoring them to upskill them on their technical skills, on their personal skills, on their leadership skills. So we hold a session every week with them. So this is a Gurgaon-based company. So that's me, Rajesh. My ask is connect me to cluster of industries where we can virtually connect with them. We have already done a session in Aurangabad, thanks to Mr. Anand Pol, to the industries there. On the 27th of this month, we have been invited by the Maratha Chamber of Commerce to present one of the subjects from our portfolio. So we'll be giving a 1.5 hour virtual webinar on their platform. So connect me to these kind of clusters so that we can give our expertise and knowledge to the industry. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Dharmishta ji. Dharmishta, please unmute yourself. I think she is not able to listen. In the meantime, I'll request. Hello, Dharmishta, you have to unmute yourself. Are you able to hear us? Sorry. Anyhow, Ajit ji, please. I think he is also not there. So I'll request Anju ji to introduce herself and take the session of Create Today.
Anand ji, did you get my presentation?
Yes, I got it.
I'm Anju Sharma from Delhi. Thank you, Mithilesh ji, for inviting me to this.
Should I introduce myself?
Yes, please.
Yeah, please. Actually, we called you, but I think.
Oh, I am sorry. The audibility must have been low because it's raining quite heavily here. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. Please introduce.
Okay. This is Dharmishta Shah, leading financial advisor based in Mumbai, services span world into insurance, mutual fund, mediclaim, wills, alternate and passive income. This Sunday, we are holding a session. We means Dharmishta Shah and CA Pradeep Shah on wills. वसीयतनामा लिखना बहुत जरूरी रहता है. क्यों? आइए सेशन में 11 AM to 12 noon on Sunday. Do invite any of your connects too. In case you wish to know more, we'll connect on personal message. This is Dharmishta Shah, leading financial advisor. First week of August, Pradeep and me would be in Delhi for approximately 8 days. In case we can connect on personal message to meet up, we'll be happy. Thanks for now. Take care.
Thank you. Ajish, are you there? Ajish? Okay, anyhow, Anjuji, please start. Please introduce yourself briefly and then you can start your create session.
So, thank you, Mitleji, for inviting my second session here today. Last time I was simply a visitor. Today also I'm a visitor, but yes, I looks like I know most of the people. Already had a session with Birendraji and quite many discussion with Anandji, Dharmishta. We exchanged quite many text messages. So I'm really happy that I'm feeling connected. Coming to my professional this thing, I have almost 2 decades experience in HR. I worked with MNC Bank and started my entrepreneur journey last year during pandemic, somewhere around August. And my company that way is in infant stage, 1 year, less than 1 year. So that's it. I handle my HR piece. I ask would be most of the MNCs, HR, be it Accenture, Wipro, or any MNC bank, they'll be greatest connect to me because you have recurring work in there. So, can I move on with my?
Yeah, please, please. It is already at 15. It is better you start your presentation.
Can
Create session.
you share the screens, please?
Yeah, please. You want me to share the screen?
Yes, please.
Okay, 1 minute. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much. The presentation I tried to make yesterday, last night. My company's name is Hunt Over for You. I thought quite a lot about the name. Because we all keep hunting, and prior to this, I was running a company, uh, the same name, Hunt Over, which was actually meant for career counseling. Means it was 1 point shop for all the students for their career counseling, right from their psychometric tests, etc., everything. And then it went to into pre-wedding consultations also, which was totally new concept. And then I finally came down to my core expertise, that is HR. So thank you so much. We can move to the next slide. The first vertical that we deal with when in HR is hiring. I handle hiring for all the verticals, any industry, any cadre, right from blue collar to top management, except CEO definitely means directors, definitely people that hire themselves. But top management, everything IT, non IT, India, abroad, everywhere. So hiring is something which is ongoing, it never would stop. Can we move to next slide, please? Policies. I write policies, spelling mistake, sorry. I write policies for companies, startups, MSMEs. MNCs normally they have their own policies, so up to that point I won't go. But these days we desperately need because so many startups coming in, they start their business, they understand their business, but at the same time, when they grow, they don't have the backup of a policy. Even when we are at home, we normally talk about दिस इज नॉट द ट्रेंड इन माई हाउस, हमारे खानदान में ऐसा नहीं होता. तो अगर हम घर में ऐसा सोच सकते हैं, वाई नॉट द कंपनी हैज अ फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ पॉलिसी. एंड even if you had policies, the companies, with changing scenario during pandemic, you might look at the very modification of those policies like work from home, leave policy, medical policy, etc., etc. We can move to next one. Labor law compliance. I'm really sorry. Extremely sorry. Pardon me for that mistake. Labor law compliance is again something which normally we do not initially worry about. We just need to think, I know this काम
Meeting
मुझे ये
चालू
काम
है,
आता है,
नीचे
मैं इस
जो
काम को
करता
कर सकता हूँ, बिजनेस ग्रो कर सकता हूँ. लेबर लॉज की
ठीक
बारी
है.
बहुत बाद में आती है. हालांकि it starts right from beginning. Unless you register your company under Shops and Establishment Act, there is no point कि अगर आपको कोई सीरियसली ले रहा है तो वो कंपनी को नहीं चलने देगा. अगर आपने ठीक से नहीं किया, एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जिसमें वो पहले ही दिन शटर डाउन करवा के चले जाते हैं. एंड इट्स अ क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस एट टाइम्स, नॉन बेलेबल, जिसमें आपको कोई बेल नहीं मिलती है इफ यू नॉट कंप्लाइड विद लेबर लॉज. आई हैंडल कंप्लायंस राइट फ्रॉम ए टू जेड, इंक्लूडिंग द नोटिफिकेशंस फ्रॉम लेबर ऑफिसर्स, ताकि डायरेक्टर्स को अपनी शक्ल वहां ना दिखानी पड़े. वी कैन गो टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. CSR is again a beautiful domain that I deal with. This is where the company, they can spend their money towards society. Means it's kind of giving back to the society that we are living in. At the same time, saving on their taxes and living in the uh, good books of government and everything. Means CSR has both the positive points. Means tangible and intangible both. And CSR again is a very good thing to have as engagement tool also for the employees. It's a beautiful reachability concept. I do it all. Next, please. Discipline issues. So with more and more changes in society, pandemic issues, uh, and otherwise also we do face people. They do fight. They have parity issues. They have late coming, workplace harassment, sexual harassment, boss and employee discipline issues, any kind of issues. If they are not dealt properly, they may lead to litigation, and n amount of days, manpower, and money goes in there. Defamation definitely is part of that. We can move to the next one. Downsizing is the forte that I have dealt with quite a lot, and I'm not saying that I would be working for every company. I mean, I would want to work for every company on this because I would want them to expand. But at the same time, there at times are reason, even if you want to grow, you need to downsize your company. You had a company of 80 people, you had a company of 30 people, you had a company of 500 people. You may need to bring the numbers down of your employees to grow in a different direction, lateral movement, or different segment altogether. So how do you downsize when it comes to workplace, when it comes to people you're dealing with, so that you don't get into again litigation issues? There is a proper way and strategy of doing it. I've done it all. Layoff retrenchment is just like back of my palms. Thank you so much. And that's all when it comes to presentation. I tried to be brief. I hope I didn't take too much of the time.
Now, if you have seen the format which I had sent to you yesterday, it is the create session which I have done. Actually, the slide was not submitted to you, so that is our mistake. But anyhow, we'll definitely share that standard slide to you. That is one part. Second part, now what are your asks? You did not mention that. What are your challenges?
Okay. Now I'm just sending my WhatsApp to you. That works, Anandji. I've written my strengths and weaknesses. So
Maybe you can,
just read it out.
just say here only
Huh.
what
Yeah.
are
Coming to strengths, quality is biggest strength that I have. Quality means quality is something which people they look for. Uh, be it candidate, be it the policy, be it the kind of work that you finally providing. The product has to be quality oriented, and then you need to have trust. अगर मैं किसी लेबर ऑफिसर से डील करने जा रही हूँ या किसी एम्प्लॉय को दे रही हूँ, यू हैव टू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ ट्रस्ट कि मैंने जो दिया है उसके बाद आपको किसी और को देखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. एंड दैट्स वेयर आई कम इन. फॉर्चुनेटली मेरा कैंडिडेट आज तक किसी ने अभी तक टर्न डाउन नहीं किया. I've been lucky enough. They may have some other reasons to do it. With very few exceptions, I've seen more than 95% success rate on this. Minimal minimal turnaround time. I hate to see people waiting when they ask me for any kind of work. So I believe in being responsive and prompt. Weaknesses: running solo. I had a team, as I said, it's an infant company. I had a team for a few months and I kept paying from my pocket, and unfortunately could not sustain with changing everything and not getting too much of payments. And that is my second weakness. I am not very good at follow up on payments. Um, there are quite many payments which are stuck, including from Pune, Delhi, and Mumbai. If I had received, maybe I never had to say get let my team go. And then pricing is third factor that I have as my weakness, because I have been in job all my life. So I've done everything as knowledge. I'm good at working it, but when it comes to doing it for somebody else, I am not able to figure out how much should I charge, because there are places when I charge very less, and if I needed help, I was told that it's peanuts. And then when I gave another quote, they said it's very high. So pricing is a big challenge that I face. Then fourth is cross-border terms and referrals. When it comes to cross-border, I'm slightly at uneasy term. How to go about it when it comes to US, UA, what should all be dealing with, what kind of licensing. Opportunities, digitization, more and more digitization coming in. Every company is going towards online payroll, online everything. Means lots of opportunities are there in government and private sectors both. Lots of things to be done. IT recruitments are at high, definitely highest, be it project or regular business. Modified policies are mandatory, and compliances are becoming again mandatory with new structure. I've known few engineering consultants who had, when they went to submit their tenders, they were asked to show the compliance on ESI, PF, etc. for their employees. Otherwise, their tenders were turned down. Uh, Threats is basically just competition. Competition is from people who are sitting just like that. They promise your work, they don't do anything, they don't take any responsibility. Means they are not accountable, but at the same time, when it comes to the first phase, people they go for lowest price, and then it becomes a challenge. And then government e-policies are coming over the period, which means most of the labor laws would be merged and they'll become online. So over the period, in say another 2 3 years, 5 years, if I see down the line, most of the people they'll be able to do it on their own. They won't need people like me or a team working on it. This is all that I have. And when I comes to my
Ask.
referrals and asks, referrals, as I discussed last time also, most of the MNC HRs, I would have somebody or other as my ex-colleague or known person. And when it comes to asks any MNC, I would love to get empaneled with them. And MSMEs or startups, then I can do entire consultancy for them. How much team they should have, how much should they pay them, what should be their pay structure, and definitely I can make the team. And if they have big team, I can help them downsizing the team. So startups, if you want a specific name, uh, Accenture, Wipro, NBFC, most of the say Bank of America, I definitely would be able to. But yes, most of the good banks and IT companies would be my love. United Health Group is my favorite ask. These days it's doing very well. Amazon is my favorite ask. So,
Thank you very much, Anjuji.
thank
You have spelled out your
elaborated your challenge. So we have to discuss your
Yes.
challenge.
Yes.
What is your challenge?
challenge, I'm not able to handle the work that I get because I'm working alone right now. So the team size is very size, in fact, I have some friends who help me off and on, but then again, since it's not on payment category,
You are not audible. Is it only for me or for everyone?
No, we are able to hear you.
Oh,
Please continue.
so team is my challenge. Then another challenge is that I'm not getting any work that I initially thought that I would have referrals. Then pricing is my challenge. How should I put my catalog? What should be my number of hours, or how do I go about it? Uh, these are my challenges.
Okay. What I'll suggest is that there are experts available like Virendra, then Amit Chawla, Atulji. They will be definitely, if you have one-to-one with them, and then if you discuss in person with them, it will be more detailed discussion about your challenges.
Within this week, I'm definitely doing
Yeah,
it if
definitely.
they have time. Means.
Yeah. Satya sir wants to say something. Please.
Oh yeah, thank you. And thank you, Anjuji. Very good presentation. And you have really brought out your challenges through your SWOT analysis. One of your challenge where is easy to help, actually. It's a what is called a low-hanging fruit. Like you mentioned in your weakness also that you are a solopreneur, you don't have a team because you cannot afford a team. Maybe that is my understanding.
Yes.
Your revenues are not enough to afford any team member. Same way in the challenge also, it has come very clear that you have the jobs, but you are unable to handle. At the moment, you are supported by the pro bono help from the friends and families kind of thing. But that is not sustainable. Actually, as it is coming in your weakness as well as in your challenge, you need at least one employee to support you. And I follow a model of interns, actually. Like what you are getting is from advice or support from the senior guys free of cost, but it cannot help in execution. It can help in basically getting the job or getting the order or reference. But for execution, either you yourself have to do or your assistant. So for that, this internship, which I'm actually practicing this for last 12 years actually. In my car freight also, I used to have interns working with me, which I used to pay her from my salary actually, because the office was not permitting a assistant or a PA kind of thing or a EA kind of thing. Now all my jobs, all social business are run with interns only. So minimum one is required. Luckily, I can volunteer and provide you a intern actually in Delhi, and she is quite good in HR, of course, quite good in changing the payments. Also, she's doing that for me. And in my earlier position, she was actually officially our HR head and then facility management. And at the moment, I can afford to spare her temporarily. Just you have a look, you just try her for 1 or 2 months, and if you feel she can make impact or help you, or if that is not the case, somewhere you have to get an intern minimum from today itself
I
actually,
could
if
not
you
ask
really
for more.
yes. Yeah, so we will connect and we'll give you.
Definitely.
Her name is Priyanka. Normally most of my interns, actually I'm working on these daughters-in-law kind of thing, so she is also a daughters-in-law actually. So that way, so maybe
Great,
we'll
great.
try, and she can keep working from my office in again in the World Trade Center. So that you don't have to provide her a office space. Whenever she comes to meet you, she can come to meet you, but she can do your work sitting in our office also.
आज
If
सुबह उठ के
she
कुछ और भी मांग लेती तो मिल जाता.
Thank you, madam. And it will help me as well as her. Means it will be a win-win-win for all three of us.
Thank you, Satya sir. Great suggestion, and I'm sure Anjuji will be supported by the suggestion given by Satya sir. Now it's another Mr. Virendra Ingle wants to suggest you something.
तो अंजू जी, पहली तो सेशन अच्छा था, आपने अपनी जो चैलेंजेस हैं यहाँ बताई. जैसे हमारा 1-to-1 भी हुआ था, उसमें कुछ चीजें मैंने क्लियर की थी. देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स व्हिच यू मेंशनड हियर व्हिच यू हैव नॉट मेंशनड इनटू योर 1-to-1, दैट इज हायरिंग. So the first thing which I feel when it comes to hiring, it is all about delivery on time. Otherwise you don't get businesses and people will not respect you. So when we give it to someone, or I when I take orders of hiring, so I prefer that मेरा timely वो candidate place हो जाए. Now हम ना बहुत बार बिजनेस में, स्पेशली सोलोप्रेन्योर्स या फिर जो लोग नए नए बिजनेस में आते हैं, उनके साथ ये चैलेंज होता है अंडा पहले या मुर्गी पहले. तो मैं आदमी रखूं या बिजनेस पहले लाऊं. तो मेरा ये सजेशन है, थोड़ी रिस्क लेके ही बिजनेस होता है. आप जैसे अभी बहुत अच्छा सत्या जी ने कहा था, आप एक ना कैलकुलेटेड अमाउंट ले लीजिए कि मैं इतना स्पेंड कर सकता हूँ, और उस अमाउंट के हिसाब से आप आदमी सिलेक्ट
मैंने
करिए.
3 महीने रखा था एक को.
हाँ, सो फिर दूसरा चैलेंज है. दूसरा चैलेंज वो है कि हम आदमियों से काम नहीं कर पा सकते. फिर वो दूसरा चैलेंज है. पहला चैलेंज ये है कि मेरे पास बिजनेस नहीं आता, तो मैं बिजनेस कैसे लाऊंगा. अच्छा, आप कह रहे हैं कि बिजनेस आता, फिर मैं उसको एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पाती, तो देन दूसरा बिजनेस कभी नहीं आएगा. तो आप ये समझिए कि ये फिर वो वाली सिचुएशन आएगी. पहला है धंधा नहीं आ रहा, दूसरा है कि धंधा मैं एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पा रहा, और अगर आप ऐसे ही 2-3 बार अगर कर देंगे तो अगला धंधा बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज पीपल विल नॉट ट्रस्ट यू, बिकॉज दे विल थिंक ये तो फ्रीलांसर है, कुछ नहीं होता यहाँ से, and then they will not trust you. Now you are talking about a big brand, you are talking about Amazon, you are talking, when you talk, you have such a big dream, then have a courage to invest something. Now when you are talking about, you can have afford 3 people, afford them. ठीक है, अफोर्ड करके आप उनको, आप ये सोच के चलो कि आपको उनको हैंडल तरीके से करना है. देयर हैज टू बी सम वर्क फॉर देम. सो जैसे आप रिक्रूटमेंट करते हैं, वैसे आप बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट भी कर सकते हो उन्हीं से. जब वो खाली होता है तो बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हैं. सो आई डू दैट वे कि मैं लोगों से बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट कराता हूँ. जैसे बिजनेस आता है, 2 लोगों को निकालता हूँ, रिक्रूटमेंट करता हूँ. एक आदमी बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट में रुक जाता है, स्पेशली एचआर में ऐसी होता है. तो आप वैसा करिए. और दूसरा, आई एम गिविंग यू वन स्मॉल मे बी अ वर्क, जहाँ पे मेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की पॉलिसीज, अभी आई थिंक आई एम ग्रोइंग and I can design that. I have people who can do that, but because now we got associated, I want to understand कि क्या commercial बैठेंगे. आप मुझे 1-to-1 करिए and let's see कि अगर आप हमारी जो छोटी सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उसके छोटा सा प्राइस टैग अगर दें, तो हम आपसे छोटी सी पॉलिसी बनाने की वो करते हैं. So that's from where we can start.
Great, Virendra ji. See, Anju ji, the moment you have started coming on the platform is very much ready to support you, to guide you, to take you to the next step. So my request is that today you are on the platform as a guest, but it will be very good if you can join the eGrowth platform, take the membership, and lot of people are there to support you. That is not the issue. Anybody else would like to communicate something to Anju ji? Yes, please. Atul ji.
Yeah. So, Anju ji, thanks for initiating this. The challenge that you have, I think all the 11 people over here right now have.
What?
Some of us may be technically single, or I mean solo. Okay. Others may be having organization, yet have challenges in building and creating and nurturing teams. Okay. I'll share my personal example. Ronika is here right now. Okay. So around 3 or maybe 3.5 years back, I used to manage around 50 plus WhatsApp groups. And a lot of time used to go into that. So that was my challenge. How do I use my time efficiently? So I took the courage, and as Virendra just said, that you keep aside some money and get a person on board. So I got the first person on board, and in about 1 month or 1.5 months, she said, sorry, I am not able to do it. I have taken another job as a teacher in a school, and thank you. I said, okay. Now at that point in time, the job description that I had given to her, that was not very accurate. Then I moved on to another person. She was a newly married girl, and in about 2 or 3 weeks, she said, my husband is saying, what are you doing? You taking away all my time. I said, that again is a very valid point. Okay. But this time I had a relatively better job description, and she was somebody incidentally out of Nasik, so that was a remote location for me. So in about 2-3 weeks, she also went away. And then came the third one. So this one was Ronika. So Ronika, are you there?
Yes, she is there.
हाँ जी सर, I'm
So
here.
Ronika,
Good
आप जब
morning.
ज्वाइन की थी तो आपको कितनी बड़ी जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन मिली थी?
सर 2 पेज की थी पूरी.
फैंटास्टिक. और आपका इंडक्शन कितनी और कैसे हुई थी?
तो सारा प्रॉपर्ली गाइड किया था, जो आपने मुझे रिटन पार्ट दिया था वो सारा आपने 1-on-1 करके डिस्कस किया था.
So what I'm sharing with you, Anju, is it is a learning curve not only for the employee. It is a learning curve for the employer also.
Agreed.
So you or I, we are not trained to lead our own organization. Especially those of us, rather, I think all of us have been working for somebody. Okay, working for somebody is a different mindset, and working for myself is a different mindset. And bringing that clarity, that what I expect from somebody who's working for me or for my organization, that is a third skill set. So that skill set, just be aware of that, and then you will be able to build the requirements and the description and the specifications so that you can get people to work with you. So it is a great news that you worked with somebody and in about 3 months, the things fell apart. You have already grown. Does this make sense?
Definitely it does.
Yeah.
In fact, she was happy with me, but she realized that I'm not getting any payments out of the work. She said, Anju, it's better that I work for a while with you and look for payment. In case you don't get it, then I would leave. I said, fine.
So whose responsibility is to get payments?
Mine.
Awesome. So that means you're not doing your work.
Thank you, Atulji.
Yeah.
There are two things which I would like to add. Anjuji, it is one thing we'll definitely have one-to-one. There is no doubt about that. Maybe today or tomorrow we'll fix the time. Try to understand you have certain expertise and what is your core business which you would like to do. And as Atulji has said rightly, when I'm an employee, my mindsets are different. I have to deliver my services against the payment which I'm getting. And when I am running my own business, my mindset should be something different. And I think there is a clash between your employee mindset and your ownership mindset.
Fully agree. Table ka udhar jana time lag
That is one part which you have to look into. You look into your core expertise, and you have to maintain your core expertise, and rest of the things which you will be getting involved or doing, which is none of your business. Correct? So that is one part which I would like to add. So concentrate on your core business, and Satyaji, Atulji, Virenji, they have given certain assignments to you. They are there to help you out. We are always there. In the meantime, and one more thing is that when you are doing your business, you must be knowing, being a HR person, the 9 dot exercise. So you have to connect the dots. That is one part. And another is you have to, आपने देखा होगा कि दीवार के ऊपर हम जब एक फ्रेम लगाते हैं तो सीधी बैठी है या नहीं बैठी है, वी गो लिटिल अवे फ्रॉम दैट फ्रेम एंड लुक एट इट एंड देन वी अलाइन इट ऑन द वॉल. वो क्यों है? क्योंकि वो अच्छी दिखनी चाहिए, टेढ़ी नहीं होनी चाहिए, टिल्टेड नहीं होनी चाहिए. So just think from these 2 points which I have suggested, and when we'll have our H2A, definitely we'll have more points to discuss. Thank you very much. Anybody else would like to suggest something or
last thing which I probably would like to add?
Yeah, please.
You are into HR. You help companies for policies. You help companies for organizational structure. You help companies for maybe recruitment. You help them to retain everything. So you are not good in maybe into sales and recoveries.
Correct.
So that could be a challenge, and that's what every business owner, especially from a different domain, comes. मैं जैसे अपना एग्जांपल आपको बताया था, आपको याद होगा कि मैंने पहले साल में मैं सोचता था मैंने 30 साल सेल्स किया तो मुझे सेल्स बहुत अच्छा आता है, बट देन बाकी चीजों में मैं फेल होता था. तो ये बहुत कॉमन है कि आप दूसरे डोमेन में, क्योंकि आपने अपनी पूरी उम्र एक इसमें लगाई है, हाँ, लेकिन इसका टाइम गैप देना चाहिए। इसके लिए ना थोड़ा ये डिसाइड करना चाहिए कि मुझे कितने दिनों में सारी चीजें सीखनी है, बिकॉज ओनर एज ए ओनर ना आपको सारे डिपार्टमेंट को समझना और
एग्जैक्टली
यू कैन नॉट से कि मेरे को ना एक ही चीज आती थी तो मैं उसी के साथ जी लूंगा। तो जब मैंने अपना स्टार्ट किया था तो आई लॉस्ट मनी इन माय फर्स्ट ईयर इटसेल्फ, because I could able to gain lot of business, but I could not manage that properly because team management तो बहुत अच्छी थी मेरी, लेकिन in terms of HR, in terms of finance, in terms of other aspects, deliveries, CM, all these things, लेकिन मैंने उसके बाद अपनी हर चीजों के लिए ना एक वर्किंग डिसाइड करी, और उसके बाद में मैंने अपने आप को पोजीशन करना स्टार्ट किया। मेरे ख्याल से आप उस स्टेज पे हैं कि जहाँ पे आप आपके कोर कॉम्पिटेंसीज आपको अच्छे से आती है, लेकिन जो बाकी चीजें बिजनेस में रिक्वायर्ड है वो नहीं आती, तो उसमें थोड़ा समय बिताइए। और दूसरा जो कहा कि पहले ना ड्रीम, मेरी ड्रीम कंपनी क्या है, आज से 3 साल 5 साल 5 साल मैं क्या देखना चाहता हूँ, तो मैं देखना चाहता हूँ जी मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, मेरे अंडर में इतने लोग काम कर रहे हैं, डिपार्टमेंट है, उसको डिजाइन कर लीजिए अभी से, बिकॉज देन यू प्लग पीपल देयर वन बाय वन। सो धीरे धीरे बिजनेस आ जाएगा। बिजनेस क्या होता है ना, बिजनेस तो आ जाएगा जब लोग आपको जब ऑर्गेनाइज देखते हैं ना, तो ऑटोमेटिकली बिजनेस आता है। ठीक है, so don't worry about that. I think you are doing great. Don't lose your heart, and people are there in Egro, they are ready to help always. See one more helping hand raised. So Rajesh ji, please go ahead.
yes please.
I just had Anju. In fact, part of it is repetition. Tree before the fruit is a very important feature I've practiced in my life. Even when I, in between many years ago, I left and I started my own company. So I said it's important to have a tree. The fruit will start happening. Like Virendra also said, you have to have an ability to risk some investment, because बिना invest करे कुछ नहीं आता, free कुछ नहीं आता, invest करना जरूरी है, investing in some people at least. Which was the other point I was wanting to say? Yes, the second is you have to set yourself a target. I know the first time when I started ZS India was in 94, and I said I'm going to use my connect in the industry and look for people who need these connects, and I will become their representative or agent. And I gave myself a target that in 6 months' time, I must have my first revenue. If not, I said, maybe this is not cut for me, I must go back to a job. So you have to give yourself a very aggressive target. If it doesn't happen, but you have to make sure it happens, because you have set about on a new path. You have to look around for support. Don't think you are experts in everything. Look around, beg, borrow. 6 months, you have to achieve it. Don't leave it open-ended. If it is open-ended, it's not going to work. Set a target. If you can't do it, go back to a job.
Thank you, Rajesh ji.
Collaborate otherwise.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please,
There are so many
Mithilesh ji.
people you can collaborate with them.
फैक्ट अंजू जी, ये लक है आपका कि शुरुआत में इतने अच्छे सलाह आ रहे हैं, और जो अतुल जी ने बोला ना, हम में से हर आदमी इस दौर से गुजर चुका है, क्योंकि ना कोई भी यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं है जिसका कि बिजनेस का बैकग्राउंड है। जॉब से आए हुए हर आदमी को पहले साल में सबको ये प्रॉब्लम आता है, और इसी तरीके से आता है। बिजनेस नाम शॉर्ट टर्म गेन का है ही नहीं। बिजनेस में अनलेस अनटिल कि हम जो है ना 3 4 5 साल का जो है टारगेट नहीं करेंगे ना, तो बहुत आसान नहीं है। और पहला साल उसमें सबका ऐसा ही रहता है। जबकि आपको जो वीरेंद्र जी ने बोला है ना, 1 2 चीज की महारत होती, बाकी सब चीजों में महारत हासिल करनी होती है। ये नीड है बिजनेस का, बिना इसके बिजनेस चल नहीं सकता। बाकी सब चीजें, वो नौकरी हो सकती है, एक चीज में आप बहुत एक्सपर्ट हो जाएं तो उसमें माहिर हो जाएं, लेकिन बिजनेस में आप जब तक हर चीज में मास्टरी करते करते इतनी गलतियां होती हैं कि वो आपका। अब यहाँ पर इन्वेस्टमेंट, बिना इन्वेस्टमेंट कोई बिजनेस नहीं होता है, जो राजेश सर ने बोला। कितना चाहे वो आपको लोन लेके करना पड़े, चाहे कहीं लेके करना पड़े ना, अनलेस अनटिल के कुछ पैसा नहीं लगाएंगे ना, आप उसको कैजुअली करेंगे। ठीक है, हो गया ठीक है, नहीं तो जॉब में चली जाऊंगी। जब ये माइंडसेट होता है ना, तो पूरी संभावना होती है कि वो फेल करे। क्योंकि ना आपका कुछ गया ही नहीं। जब आपका कुछ गया नहीं ना, जब आपका पैसा लग नहीं रहा है, आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है, आपको डर नहीं है लूज करने का ना, आपने कहा कि ठीक है ना, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है ना, अगले साल जॉब कर लेंगे। जब तक ये दिमाग में रहेगा ना अगले साल जॉब कर लेंगे या 6 महीने बट नहीं चला तो कर लेंगे ना, आप सवाल ही नहीं है कि सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस में होंगे। बिजनेस इतना आसान नहीं है, एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी इफर्ट मांगता है। तभी तो बिजनेसमैन इतनी ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल होने पे दुनिया पे राज करते हैं। तो जो राज करने वाली चीजों पे आ रहे हैं, इतनी सारी एक्सीलेंसी आप में है, तो ये वाली जन रिस्क ले, नियम बनाए, अपना प्लान बनाए और उसके बाद जो उस पर चले। 6 महीने, हर 6 महीने की टारगेट बनाए कि 6 महीने में मैंने ठीक है 1 लाख रुपए की कमाई कर लेनी है, अगले साल दो इतनी बढ़ाते जाए उसको। 2-3 साल में आप सेटल। 2-3 साल से पहले इस किस्म के बिजनेस में जिसमें ज्यादा पैसा नहीं लगा है ना, उसमें सक्सेसफुल होना आसान नहीं है। पैसा लगा के, मेरा अपना मानना है, आप 50 करोड़ रुपए लगा के ना अगले दिन से कमाना शुरू कर देते हैं। आप कंसल्टेंसी में कोई पैसा नहीं लगा रहे हैं, इसमें आपका क्या चलता है, आपका नाम धीरे धीरे बढ़ता है, रेफरल जाता है, रेफरल से ही आपका बिजनेस बढ़ता है। तो रेफरल बिजनेस एक दिन में कैसे फैल जाएगा, ट्री कैसे बन जाएगा? इसमें टाइम लगता है। 1 साल में कुछ नहीं होना है, बस एक लगे रहे। मुझे लगता है कि 2-3 साल के अंदर आपको बहुत कुछ। और उसके अलावा ऑलरेडी हम ऑफर कर चुके हैं मेरी कंपनी के एचआर देखने का, वो ऑलरेडी आपका है, हमारा कंपनी का एचआर आप देखें, कुछ ना कुछ तो आपको और हमको फायदा होगा ही होगा। ये ऑफर मेरी तरफ से है। थैंक यू अंजू जी।
ग्रेट अंजू जी, आई जस्ट शेयर माय स्मॉल एक्सपीरियंस। एम्प्लॉय माइंडसेट से मैं बाहर निकला हूँ पिछले साल, उसके बाद में पेंडेमिक चालू हो गया। सो व्हेन आई हैड अ डिस्कशन विद मिश्रा जी ड्यूरिंग आवर H2H, ही सेड कि भैया आपका जन्म पेंडेमिक में हुआ, तो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। तो बिजनेस करने से ही रहे, आई एम रेडी टू इन्वेस्ट, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल, बट आई एम इन द सेम बोट विच यू आर ऑल्सो सेलिंग. We are in consultancy, we are having some expertise with us, but it doesn't mean that we are expert in everything. I have taken consultation from Virendra ji, Atul ji, Amit ji, even Mishra ji, बुद्धिराजा सर, ये सब लोगों से मेरी बात हुई है, मगर पीरियड ऐसा चालू हो गया कि जिसमें देर वॉज नो ग्रोथ, देर वॉज नो अपॉर्चुनिटी, और आज की तारीख में भी अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है. इट्स वेरी क्लियर. So let us wait, but as everybody has said rightly, we are there to support you from e-growth. Only thing is that I'm very sure you will honor my request of becoming member at as early as possible. Mr. अतुल जी को आप उनका नंबर है आपके पास में, तो he will guide you. You have to make some payment, but that will be the initial investment for you. But so many people are giving free advice to you, जिसमें आपका पैसा निकल जाएगा. Don't worry about it.
ऐसा
एडवाइस
ही नहीं, दो तो बिजनेस भी मिल गए मिथिलेश जी से।
हाँ, मिथिलेश जी का मिल गया और इनका भी मिल गया, वीरेंद्र जी का भी मिल गया. सो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका पैसा वसूल हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी एंड लर्न दिस. पैसा वसूली कैसा करना है वो सीख लो इनसे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
एक छोटा सा पॉइंट सर, मुझे पिछले कुछ समय से जिन लोगों ने पेंडेमिक में अपना बिजनेस शुरू किया है, आनंद सर,
हाँ जी,
उसके साथ सबसे शानदार चीज क्या हो रही है कि कॉस्ट कटिंग करने का जो आइडिया जो हम लोगों को ना करोड़ों रुपया बर्बाद करने के बाद आता रहा है ना, नॉर्मल वे में 25-50 आदमी रखिए, बहुत सारे पैसे रखिए, अपने पैसे बहुत बर्बाद कर दिए, तब जाके आता है यार इतनी की जरूरत नहीं थी. आप पहले दिन से समझ रहे हैं कि सर बिना पैसे के कम चीजों में, कम रिसोर्सेज में भी बिजनेस हो सकता है. आप सच सर इतनी शानदार चीजें इस वक्त बिजनेस शुरू करने वाले लोगों के साथ चल रहा है. तो ये
वेरी ट्रू. Anyhow, I think it's 8:51. We'll conclude today. It was a great session, and I sincerely thank everybody for joining. Even at the 11th hour notice, night 10:30, I think I have posted the link with the help of Atul ji and Ronika ji. I troubled Ronika last night up to 10:30, and thank you Ronika for supporting me for having this session today. And
thanks Ronika.
Yeah, that's my responsibility.
Every Friday we are definitely meeting. Please, no confusion now. And every Friday we'll have people like Anju ji to be on the platform. and I'm sure Anjuji, you will do the membership immediately, and we wish you all the best for your business.
So we can bring guests from for every month, every week, right? अभी every week allowed है ना, जैसे
It is definitely bring the guest, and we'll definitely see that they join the eGrowth platform. Whoever is bringing the guest, it is his responsibility to see that he become member.
चलिए
या फिर तो कोई गेस्ट नहीं लाएगा. ओनली थिंग इज जो गेस्ट लाता है उसको हम लोग इंसेंटिव दे रहे हैं जो अतुल जी की तरफ से. तो आई थिंक दैट शुड बी एनफ फॉर हिम, बट इट इज आवर रोल ऑफ द एग्जिस्टिंग मेंबर्स टू कन्विंस and to demonstrate
Yes,
the
yes.
guest that they will get value for money.
Absolutely. आज अंजू जी को तो मिल गया ना वैल्यू फॉर मनी. बोले तो बिफोर शी इन्वेस्टेड समथिंग शी गॉट
Not
द मनी
denying
बैक.
that. Means it's actually a beautiful. It was worth it.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody for
We have
joining.
2 more people. They didn't speak or anything.
आनंद जी, अपना नाइक साहब और अजीश.
Ajish, Ajish ji, are you there? Ajish? I think it's not. Naik Sab, are you there on the platform?
नहीं है.
Naik sir?
अच्छा, आनंद जी और नाइक साहब, आपको मैंने ना दो.
Just let me change the room because there's another meeting going on in this.
I see.
आनंद जी, आनंद पोल और आनंद नाइक दोनों को मैंने एक रेफरेंस भेजा है, आपका नंबर दिया है उनको. ही में
अच्छा.
कांटेक्ट.
Okay.
बायोडिग्रेडेबल्स.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
नाइक जी आप हैं?
हाँ जी, हाँ बोलिए.
जी प्लीज आपका इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए 1 मिनट में, बिकॉज वी वर अबाउट टू कंक्लूड नाउ अदरवाइज.
Yeah, when the introduction was going on, I was there, but suddenly I got a call from my daughter from Philadelphia, and I have to go.
Okay.
So I am Anand Kumar from Hyderabad. Swami Samarth Agro Industries is my business name, and my core vertical is liaison work and documentation work in export and import management. My other passion is to understand the business verticals of all my fellow members and try to give them promotional leads wherever and whenever possible. That is my passion actually. With that interest, I joined so many groups and organizations, and I keep on trying. Some things materialize, sometimes it doesn't, but okay. Always it is good to keep on trying. Well, unless we try, we don't achieve anything. That is what I believe. Thank you.
Correct,
This is
very
Anand
correct.
Kumar from Hyderabad. My phone number is 970-333-5577. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ajish
so
ji, are
much.
you there? Ajish?
Yes.
Ajish, I think he has left. Anyhow, thank you very much everybody.
Thank you so much for this wonderful platform.
Thank
I'll
you.
get connected with everybody.
Thank you Atul ji.
नुपुर गुप्ता का नंबर मैं दे रहा
Thank you.
हूँ जी. उनको HR कंसल्टेंट चाहिए, वो कंसल्टेंट चाहिए सेल्स के लिए.
किसका?
नुपुर गुप्ता का मैं नंबर आपको अभी भेज रहा हूँ.
ठीक है,
तो एक सेल्स पर्सन चाहिए हायरिंग के लिए.
शाम तक मिल जाएगा.
अभी भेज रहा हूँ सर.
Bye.
Thank you.
Good day to
Thank you.
everybody.
Good day, everybody.
Hey, good day.